Hey kids, what if I told you the animals smell things from miles away, dream just like you, and even understand your words? It is dog, and it's full of surprises that you won't believe. Are you excited? Hi everyone, welcome to Shanbaga's channel. Today we are gonna learn about dogs or puppies. Let's jump into fact number 1. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Their noses are 100,000 times stronger than humans like us, me and you. That's why they help to find missing people. Fact 2. Every dog's nose prints are unique, just like human fingerprints. No dogs have the same nose patterns. Fact 3. Dogs can understand 100 words and gestures. It means like moving, actions. Fact 4. When dogs wag their tail, it doesn't always mean they are happy. Sometimes it means excited and curious. Fact 5. Dogs can hear sounds that humans can't. They can hear whistles that are completely silent to humans. Fact 6. Puppies are born blind and deaf. They open their eyes and ears after 2 weeks. Fact 7. Dogs dream just like humans. If you see your dog twisting around in your bed, it might mean that it's running or playing in the dream. Fact 8. The fastest dog breed, the Greyhound, can run fast as a car in a city, up to 45 miles per hour. Fact 9. Dogs sweat through their paws, not their furs. That's why they pant to cool down. Fact 10. The tallest dog was ever recorded of was Great Dane, named Zeus, who was taller than many kids. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you love this video. Subscribe to the channel. Bye. See you in the next video.